Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your A's on CrushOnAI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the CrushOnAI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Explore, Search, Create, Messages and your profile. Go to your profile, then on the top of the screen you're going to see two options there, Edit Profile and Share. Tap on Edit Profile. There you're going to find categories like nickname, gender, birthday, bio, social media, etc. Select birthday from there, then go ahead and change your birthday as you like and tap on Done. Once you do that, your A's will be changed on CrushOnAI. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your A's on CrushOnAI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.